to my channel, Southern Yankee. My name is Terry if you're new around here. Thanks for visiting my channel. I hope you'll stay. Take a minute if you like fashion and beauty and unboxings and a vlog once a week to hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So today is Boxycharm day. Now I do get the Boxycharm basic box, the Boxy Luxe box, and the premium box. It's basic, premium, and luxe. The Luxe box just comes once a quarter. So every month I'm getting the basic box and the premium box. And unfortunately this month, this has shipped and I received it a few days ago. The premium box hasn't even left their warehouse yet. I haven't even gotten a shipping confirmation. I have no idea where it is. I'd like to do the two boxes together because this one's 25 and that one's 35. I actually have my Junes and I forgot to video it. If you haven't seen all the June videos and you'd like to see what I got in my box because there's so many different variations, please comment down below. Just comment, hey, we'd love to see the June video, and I will get that up for you. But this is the July box and this is the $25 box. So you're guaranteed, I think, to have over $100 value in this box for 25 bucks. It's usually worth it. There's been a couple like off months, but I think it might have been due to COVID because I work in the packaging industry, and so companies have been having supply chain and logistic issues and in my industry, and this all stuff needs to be packaged. And if anything is coming like from Italy or like any of the makeup, getting the products into the States has also been difficult. And for a company the size, there's Gizzy, the size of Boxycharm, you need a lot to come into the States, so they may have had delays and things like that. But I can tell you, I took a peek at this box. I like what is in this box, so I'm excited. So it says Boxycharm Sunshine, this, and it's got little limes on it. This is the theme for July. And let's just start diving in. All right, so the first thing in here, looks like, is from Alamar Cosmetics, and I just purchased from Alamar a palette. I really like Alamar Cosmetics. I have, well, I can probably put a little bit, this actually could go, I don't have a gloss on my lips, we could put this on and try it. So this is, I think it's their birthday suit lip gloss, and because they're celebrating their 2-year anniversary, and it's called Wink. Yeah. A universally gorgeous pink diamond dripped gloss, 15 bucks. So here it is. Let me bring it up so you guys can see. I love glosses. I always wear gloss. I really enjoy them, especially when you're aging and you start having some lines on your lips. Glosses are wonderful. So let's get, this is actually probably a good color for what I have on my lips. Yeah. It smells like birthday cake. Like a cupcake. It feels nice. This is not a super thin gloss. It's and it's not overly thick and sticky. It's like a medium texture. Love that. So that's something that I'm happy to have. So that is the first item, and that's $15. Then I got this. This is by Studio Makeup, the Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Get both shimmer and shine. I'm gonna swatch this for you. In addition to the Much Loved Paradise, oops, I'm on the wrong one. Get shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. The lightweight decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance and add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow, and this is a $25 value. So first let's bring it in so you guys can see it. Kind of reminds me of the Stila glitters for your eyes, but this says it's a cream shadow. So let's swatch that and see what we have. Ooh, that's pretty. So this is a little more sheer than the Stila glitters. Let me see if I can get up there. There you go. So I don't know if you're supposed to, like, if I blend it in, it just sort of gives a sparkle. Can you guys see that? I don't know how well that is showing up, and it said you can build it up in layers, so I'm excited to try that. I don't think it's not anything near the Stila, like the formula of that, but that's a $25 value. All right, and then I have something by Clean Skin Club, Vitamin C Brightening Booster with watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Ooh, fancy. All right, this baby, all right, that's what that looks like. Okay. A powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. The vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. And this is a $49.95 value. Let's look at it, see how big it is. It's heavy, like maybe it's in glass. Oh, how pretty. It is in a glass bottle that kind of looks like, reminds me of beach glass, but it's like ombre. It's really, really nice. Let me see how this feels on the skin. Okay, so it's a serum. I love serums. So especially vitamin C serums are so good for your skin. Oh, this feels wonderful. I just put it on my, I don't know if you can see it because it's clear, but just right here, it feels really, really hydrating too. So I'm excited about this. Very light scent, not much, but the scent that is there is sort of like a fruity scent. It's like, you can barely smell it, so which is good. I don't like a lot of that in my skincare. So let's see. A brightening booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of skin while naturally giving you a younger, regenerated look. The concentrated formula contains watermelon and green tea extracts, helps you reduce sun damage, even out your skin tone, and improve the appearance of stressed skin. And you put 3 drops directly on your face and neck after cleansing. I can see that would probably go pretty far, but oh, it says you can mix it into your cream, so you can mix it right into your moisturizer. So that's cool. So that's $49. So we have 25, 15, and 49. All right. There's 2 more items. You usually get 5 items in here. The next one is from Next Gen Blender Set, the Cream Shop. So we have a couple of beauty blenders, and these are $22, and they've got a bunch of little like curves, and it looks like pink and white marble is what they look like. And it says a duo of uniquely cut sponges designed to apply and blend cosmetics to all areas of the face, including those hard to reach places a traditional brush or sponge can't get to. Easily apply and blend powder and liquid foundation for a flawless complexion. How hard is this to open? Real hard. I need to get a knife or something, I think. Yeah, I don't think I can open this right now. But anyway, that is $22. I'm always happy to get sponges because I wouldn't spend $22 on sponges. But I'm happy to try them out. And I did see somebody open them and said they were pretty squishy, and I like them pretty squishy. I don't like them real firm. Anybody else have an opinion on that with beauty blenders? I like mine to be like real bouncy. The next, throwing things around. The next thing, I already know I do like this brand. This is the Ace Beauté, what is it? Bronzed in Paradise. I'm sure there's different collections that you can get with this. Hold on, the paper's gonna fall out. Yeah. Oh, I thought this was eyeshadow. It is not, my friends. Look at that. It is bronzer. It is pretty dark. These ones I for sure can wear. Maybe this one when I'm pretty tan. This one, no way, Jose. This one maybe I can use as like an outer corner eyeshadow to like deepen up any look that I'm doing. But I don't really have a lot of bronzer, so I'm super excited to try this out. Let's see what it says about this. All right, it says the Bronzed in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look, and they can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products. This is an MSRP of $30, and I don't know, it says 12 months on here. I don't know if this came in different... I guess that must just, everybody got the same thing, you know, like how sometimes they can be like light, medium, dark. I guess because it's got that right in here, it's got all the different shades for probably any complexion right in there. Do you guys want swatches? Let me see if I can swatch this hand. So, let's see if I can do that. See if we can get some bronzer swatches going. So this is the lightest shade that I'm going to show you first. There's the lightest shade. Now we're going in with the second lightest shade. I think I can use this, the second lightest as well. There's the second. Now we're going into the darker shades. Oh yeah, that's not gonna be, that's too dark for me. And then the real dark shade almost has like a little bit of red in it. Sorry, my swatches are not the best, but there are the 4 shades. So those are really gonna be too dark for me, but I can use these two. And especially like in the summer or winter when I'm real light, I'll use that. This one I could probably use now. These two are maybe for my eyes. So I like the idea of this, and I always like the formula of their regular eyeshadows, but I think it would have been a better idea, so you don't waste product, to have it in a light, medium, and dark range. That way you're not wasting the product, because those are probably 2 that I really won't get a lot of use out of. So I already pre-added this up for you guys. So the total, I'm gonna itch my eyes with my fingers and end up with a brown eye. All right, so the total of my box was $141.95. So I'm pretty happy, guys, with this box. I like it. When I get my premium box, I'll show you that, and we'll see if we have enough things to pull together to do a full look using just Boxycharm items. But this month made me happy. There was nothing that upset me in this box. I've seen reviews and people are like, meh, it's okay. I like it. If I don't like a box, I'll tell you. You guys know I was honest. Last couple months, they were just okay for me, but I thought I'm happy with this box. So just a quick recap. You got the Ace Beauté bronzer. You got a beautiful gloss. I really am loving the gloss. You got an eyeshadow topper, and everybody's boxes are different. And then you've got the vitamin C booster. I'm super excited about this. And you got 2 beauty sponges. So for 25 bucks, totally worth it in my opinion. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. I will do the premium box as soon as it comes in. It's just they used to come in like within a couple days of each other. Now they're not. So, but I will see you guys all in the next video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.